Hey everybody, I'm going to share with you how to create Google Ads copy with AI within minutes, very quickly, very easily, so you can have successful campaigns. It'll save you a ton of time, and you can have more and more examples you can use for better performing ads. I'm going to share exactly how you can do it, and it just takes a few minutes to set up. The first thing I want to do is share with you how Google Ads look and what are the requirements. I'm going to share my screen right now and show you. So for example, I'm in my Google Ads account and I created a new campaign with a search campaign. You can do the same thing with a Performance Max or a content network. And what you will need to do is create your campaign based on the keywords you're trying to target. Once you do that, you'll have to fill out all of the headlines and the descriptions, and the more the merrier. So the more you can fill out, the better. Luckily, this app will create a ton of examples, either 20 or 40 examples, and you can use some of them or all of them to optimize your campaign. All you have to do is go to Apify, register a free account, and type in the App Store Google Ads AI Writer. You can try it out for free, and with a free plan, you can try it out one time per month for free. And let's try it right now. So once you click on try for free, you will get inside the Apify account. And all you have to do in order to get your Google Ads copy is fill out information about your business. For example, for this video, let's say I have a business called My Ink Pen Example. This is a company that sells ink pens, just for example. All you have to do is fill out as much information as you can and as detailed as you can to get the best results. You will fill out all the fields right here. Business name, for example, My Ink Pen. The description, you will describe your business. Again, this is just an example for the video, but you should fill out more and more information. You should have at least multiple sentences for each section. For example, my business description is selling ink pens in the United States from 1961, etc., etc. Then I will specify all of my selling points. What is unique about my business? Why should customers work with me or buy my products? For example, made in the USA, free shipping, and the best service. Again, you will want to add as much information as you can. Then you will specify the specific campaign search terms, topics, products, or services you want to sell. Again, specify more topics and keywords. You will specify what language you want to output. For example, if you're in English, you will specify English. If you're Spanish, you will specify Spanish. And you will select the number of results. How many ad copies do you want? 20 or 40 in this case. All you have to do is click on Start, and you will wait a few seconds and you will receive all of the ads in the output, or you can export it to CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets. Now it's finished, and you can scroll down to the bottom and you can see all of your ads right here. You can see the headlines, the long headlines, and the descriptions. You can either copy paste from here, or I like to go to the top, click on Export, and export to CSV so I can open it in Excel, or what I like to do is Google Sheets. Okay, there you go. So now it's in Google Sheets. What I can do is I can review them. I can go one by one, add, change, copy, remove them, get inspiration, and I can use them. And all I have to do if it's good and I corrected everything is just copy paste into my campaigns. For example, I'm going to go here to my headlines and I'm going to copy the first one. I'm going to go to my campaigns. Right here, copy, paste, copy, paste. I'm going to go one by one by one by one, and I'm going to add the more, the merrier. Now I'm going to go down to my descriptions. For example, right here, descriptions, 1, 2, and I will want to add as many as I can. What Google does is it rotates between your ads and it finds the best ads. So the more the merrier, and then over time you can see which ones perform better and you can remove the less performing ones. That's basically it. All you have to do is go to Apify, register, check out the link in the description, go to Google Ads AI Writer, try it out. If you did like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And if anybody needs this app, please share with them as well. Much, much appreciated.